Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about GMA7. So, ngayon, technical analysis muna tayo ng konti. Yung daily RSI nasa 34.11. That's the same level. I think around dito, 36 dito, 34. Kailan tayo last nag-34? Actually, wala pala. Close lang, 36. So, dito yung price range was around 10.52 to 11.30. So, ito yung time na medyo nag-pump siya. Then, nagkaroon ulit ng correction. Tapos, dito ulit ultimately yung local top at around 12.40. Although, if you can see here, ito yung volume. The volume is shit. wala masyadong volume. So, ako personally, I'm not really that worried about this stock. And if you saw my post kanina na nasa buy area na ulit yung GMA7, it's looking very attractive again. Although yung RSI hindi pa siya nasa level katulad nito nung talagang bumagsak siya ng todo after nung elections nung May. And right now we're trying to, what's gonna be good for GMA7 is after nitong dump kanina, magkaroon tayo ng konting relief ulit. And like, makapag-hold tayo ng support siguro mga 10.5. Kasi lowest na natin kanina, 10.72 and dun na rin nag-close. Pero 11 pa rin siya nag-open earlier. So, I think that's pretty good as well. And marami lang din siguro nagka-cut loss and ang dami rin nagbebenta. Kasi siguro nakabili sila at around dito sa 9 point something na area. Hindi sila nakapagbenta dito. So, probably ganun yung nangyari. But again, yung volume, yung titingnan natin dito, hindi ganun kataas. And if katulad nyo lang naman ako na passive investor na bodega lang talaga, then yeah, I think okay mag-DC ulit ngayon. Kasi if we take a look at the price range from that local top, we're currently down by around 13%. Yeah, I'll still go down again. No, nasa crystal ball. And di natin alam kung ano may price action on any given day. But if you take a look at the RSI, pumababa siya. Volume dito medyo mataas in comparison dito for the longest time. But yeah, hindi katulad nung mga buy areas dito. Well, dito, sobrang tayong bumili. Kasi I think ito yung nag-announce ng dividends. So, grabe yung volume. And then dito, ang dami rin nagbenta. Kasi like, ang dami na natatakot. And then after that, a day after that, dito, nakuha yung lowest, local bottom, 9.54. Actually, hindi pa dito eh, diba? Ito yung lowest talaga sa RSI. Sa daily, 14.85. Then the following day, naging 25.78 na kasi ang dami ng buyers. Although ito yung local bottom na 9.54, tumaas na rin yung RSI dito kasi nga ang daming bumili. And then doon na nga, nag-start ulit yung pag-akyat ng prices ng GMA7. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame, so ito na yung time na pinakamababa since 2020 nung March nung nag-crash yung market, 24.66 nung 2020, and then nung nag-local bottom dito 27.92, and currently for this week nasa 35.51 pa rin tayo. So kita nyo dito, diba? Sobrang overheated nung market dito sa area na to. Kita nyo yung kataas yung RSI, then yung volume gradually bumababa. And then tingnan natin yung key stats dito. Ayan, yung basic EPS, shares float, dividend yield. Ito for the year to 13.04. Market cap is 37 billion pesos. Average volume is 428.15k. And then yung volume nga today is 1.224 million. Then, tingnan nyo dito yung performance. So, diba, all throughout, negative lang. Kasi bearish nga yung sentiment ng market and ng mga investors in general. Risk off yung markets. Tapos dito kita natin sa technical, strong sell talaga siya. If titingnan nyo lahat yung mga indicators dito, ini-indicate yung action is dapat magbenta. And then sa analyst rating naman, strong buy siya. Oo, para sa akin, it's a strong buy. Kasi if sabihin natin na above 1 peso pa rin yung ibigay na dividends ng GMA7 next year for the year 2023, then sobrang solid ng yield nun. Maging above 10% pa rin siya. Lalo na kapag mas bumaba pa yung prices. today. Some more technical analysis, dito naman tayo sa Instagrams. Hindi ko kasi makuha yung technical indicators dun sa trading view. So, dito na lang tayo. So, Bollinger Band. So, dito, weekly ito Pero I think mas okay kapag nasa, what do you call this? Pagka nasa daily yan. But, yung titingnan natin dito is itong simple moving average 20 week and then 21 week exponential moving average, itong dalawa. So magayon yung bull market support band natin. So ito nyo dito, nung umakyat siya, nasa taas tayo niyan, nagtitrade. So ibig sabihin bullish yung sentiment ng market and then umakyat lang siya. Then dito na-hold the support kahit papano hanggang dito sa area na to. And then eventually nag-dump na nga and ngayon nasa ilalim tayo yan. So ibig sabihin bearish yung sentiment. So itong indicator na to parang katulad lang din ng sa bull market support band ng Bitcoin and ng mga cryptocurrencies. So pwede mo rin siya apply dito. Tapos sa daily naman, yan, kita nyo yung Bollinger Bands. Kapag itong indicator na to pwedeng maging useful kapag lumabas siya dito. For example, ito, magandang buy area. And then dito, nasa magandang buy area na rin siya kasi lumalabas siya dun sa volatility bubble. And kapag nakakita kayo ng mga ganito, yan, dyan maganda magbenta kapag lumalabas siya dun sa volatility bubble. Sa taas naman, yun yung mga magandang sell areas. But then again, kapag buy and hold lang kayo and yung habol nyo lang sa stocks, sa pag-hold ng stocks long term is yung dividends, then yeah, you don't have to do this and hindi nyo kailangan gamit itong mga indicators na to. Financial reports naman tayo. Unfortunately, quarterly report nila was nung May pa. So this was from the first quarter pa. So ito yung makikita nyo dito. But for 2021, alam naman natin na healthy yung kanilang financials. So yung gross revenue from 19.3 billion naging 22.4 billion. Gross expenses lumaki din kasi mas naging active na syempre yung mga, for example, mga shoot and all that, yung operation activities in general. 10.7 billion to 12.5 billion. Then yung income before taxes 8.5 billion to 9.9 billion. Then yung net after taxes from 6 billion noong 2020 naging 7.5 billion noong 2021. So super solid. 1.55 pesos per share yung earnings. And then for the first quarter naman ng 2022, patuloy lang din yung kita nung ipagiging profitable ng GMA7. So, gross revenue naging 5.8 billion. Then, gross expenses 3 billion. So, projected is around sa expenses 12 billion ulit for this year. And then, net income before taxes 2.8 billion. Nasa 2.1 billion pesos naman yung net income after taxes. Mas mataas pa rin ng konti ng around 100 million. In comparison sa first quarter ng 2021. So, this year is looking pretty good for GMA7. Although, pwede natin expect na hindi na to tumaas or ma-retain. Kasi, itong first quarter numbers, dyan talaga nag-come in yung mga ads for the election. But yeah, syempre mas maganda kapag ma-retain niya kasi may projected for this year is around 8.5 billion pesos in net income. And last year nga nasa 7.5 billion yan. So pagka ma-maintain to, again, yun yung expect natin na number. So super solid. Then last part for this video, itong ginawa kong spreadsheet. So last price nga niya is 10.72 pesos per share. 52-week high is 16.08. 52-week low, 9.76 pesos per share. And yung current floor na pwede mong ilagay as order sa BPA trade is 9.65 pesos per share. Yung upside nito, from 10.72 to 16.08 is 50%. So, yun yung potential gains mo kapag nag-52-week high ulit itong GMA7. And then yung change naman from the highest in 1 year was 33.33%. So, ganyan na siya kalaki yung binagsak. And then, yung dividends nito, nagbibigay sila since 2008. Then, yung latest, yung ex-date was April 20. So, probably ganyan ulit yan next year. Yung dividend for this year, 1.45 pesos per share. Yung yield niyan is around 13.53%. And if i-multiply natin yan to 0.9, maging 12.17% yung effective nyo after taxes. Then yung 5-year average dividend yield, 9.90%. And yung 5-year average dividend payout ratio is at 94.80%. So, halos lahat ng kinikita nila is hindi nila kailangang i-reinvest dun sa company kasi wala rin naman silang utang na mga binabayaran. So, zero debt sila as of the first quarter of 2022. So, mataas, kaya ganito kataas yung kanilang dividend payout ratio. Kasi for some companies, red flag yun. Pero for GMA7, I think okay lang naman. Kasi nga, they are debt-free and hindi sila nangungutang masyado. Then, yung forecast ng profitability. Let's take a look. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. 8.5 billion yung forecast for this year. And basically, multiply lang to, no, to 4. So, pagka nangyari yun, magkakaroon ng 12.48% na increase yung kanilang income from 2021 to 2022. And yung average growth rate nga, currently, medyo mababa siya. 0.11% lang. Kasi may mga taon na hindi gano'ng kaganda. Like katulad nito, from 2016 to 2017, bumaba yung kanilang income. Then, 2017 to 2018, bumaba ulit. Kita nyo, di ba? And then, eventually, nung 18, 19, 19, 20, 2021, doon lang ulit nag-grow yung kanilang income. And ganun talaga mag-fluctuate yung revenue nitong GMA7 and especially noong 2020, dun kasi nag-start talaga yung increase ng kanilang income. Kasi ang laki ng market share na nakuha nila or nakain nila nung nawala yung ABS-CBN, nung nawala yung franchise ng ABS-CBN. And sa ngayon, nagpa-fluctuate din talaga itong income nila because of the ads na nakuha from elections. And diba, every 3 years lang naman yung elections. So, yung presidential, every 6 years. And then eventually, diba, every 3 years din naman nag-elect tayo ng mga senators. So, nung 2016, then 2019, nag-election ulit, then ngayon 2022. So, yung next election is maging 2025 for the, I think, not sure kung, for the senators. And then, next one, ratios and margins naman. So, yan, earnings per share niya is 1.55. Then, PE ratio, ideally, ito is 15 below. 6.92 lang yung GMA7. Again, sobrang attractive ng current market price niya. PEG ratio, ideally 1 and below to. 0.35 siya. Then, price to book value. Yung ideal dito is 3 and below. So, it doesn't hit the mark. So, nasa 3.22. So, 0.22 yung sobra niya sa 3. For me, I think that's a good trade-off naman for this kind of stock. Then, EBITDA margin is currently 57%. And then, yung net income margin niya is 36%. So, this is very high kasi 20% nga lang is mataas na rin for net income margin. And 36% currently yung sa GMA7. Then, ito. Net income margin plus dividend yield divided by PB ratio. Ideal dito is 10 and above. And yung nakuha, yung grade na nakuha ng GMA7 is 15.38. So, super solid. And then, market cap nito, dito, medyo weird lang, 37 yung nakalagay dun sa, what they call this, sa trading view and sa PSE Edge. Pero, multiply mo lang naman yung shares dun sa, what they call this, dun sa last price. So, ito yung maging market cap niya. So, I'm not sure kung bakit kulang ng 1 billion dito. But anyway, it's still close. So, yun na rin yung ballpark number. Then, lastly, is debt ratios. So, ito yung kanilang total assets, total debt, total equity, and total liabilities for the year. Actually, hindi the year. For the first quarter of 2022. So, yung debt to asset ratio, ideally, ito is 40% below. Sobrang baba nito, no? Kasi nga, halos wala silang debt. And ito, nabayaran na nila ito nung first quarter. Pero, syempre, nakalagay pa rin yan dun sa books nila for the first quarter of 2022. And then, nabanggit naman yun dun sa quarterly report na nabayaran na nila itong utang na to. Then again, debt-free na nga ulit sila as of the first quarter of 2022. Then yung debt to equity ratio, ideally dapat ito is, what you call this, 1.1 or below. So dito currently medyo mababa siya. Pero this catches on naman kapag, what you call this, kapag buong taon na yung tinake into account. Kasi last year nasa 9 point something billion lang yung total liabilities ng GMA7, din yung total equity for the whole year of 2021 was around 14 billion pesos. Pero syempre kasi mataas yung stock prices at that time. And then ngayon nga medyo bumaba na ulit. But yeah, I mean, ito lang yung mga red and almost all throughout naman maganda yung mga pinapakita, di ba? Yan, yung PB ratio lang din yung red. And then, again, yung profitability yung maganda dito. And kung titingnan natin nga yung forecast, maganda yung forecast for the whole year of 2022. Yun guys, end na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And let me know sa comments if you're interested to buy some GMA7 stocks or if you're currently unloading some GMA7 stocks. And if bago ka naman sa channel ko, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every single day. And if you like my content, give this video a thumbs up. Sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube. And if hindi mo naman natripan yung content, then give this video a thumbs down. You may also follow me sa mga social media platforms ko. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at MNPSPH. If you want to support the channel in another way, meron tayong YouTube membership. You can see the details and meron link dyan sa description sa baba. Another way to support the channel is by using my affiliate links. For example, if may bibilin kayo sa Shopee or sa Lazada, if mahilig kayong mag-online shopping. Meron din akong links dyan sa description sa baba. Check out nyo na lang. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.